this time I've never truly had one. Why would I be starting now? If it's a feeling, truly a feeling, why is it hurting me so? Could it be my first one is a bad one? How am I supposed to know? Is it meant to make your insides ache? Meant to make your chest go tight? Meant to make you sweat and shake? How could anything like that be right? If I am feeling some stupid feeling, why can't it just go away? Why did all these feelings have to start
Galavant?
tearing at my armor-plated heart?
Isabella?
What if, God forbid, they're here to stay? How can I unfeel